Hi everyone, and this is Shagun, and you are watching me here. Basically, recently I ordered some cute and amazing purchases from Savana, and I have to show you them because some things are wonderful, some maybe not, and some maybe yes, they are wonderful. So, I just wanted to share you all the stuff I ordered and how it actually looks. It's a blog of Savannah Hall, what item I should keep and what items are I should return. There's also a video for the new girlies. She wanted to ship on something new platform, and this is also a video in which you got an idea of the items of how it looks online and how it looks in actual life. Without wasting any further time, let's begin. This is my parcel here. I just opened it because my mom want to see her stuff. But yes, I wanted to show you. And that some things I really recommend to all the girls you should buy. Let's open this and we are gonna basically these are all the stuff I buy and I order. I can fix to with items. So let's start with one by one. Open this mystery box. So my very first purchase, all the girls should buy this, and this is a phone cover. And I'll show you this. It's just wow. I think it's the color he था जो सबसे अच्छा लगा because it's a nude shade and I think it looks good on my iPhone. And if you can guess me which iPhone I had, you can tell me in comments. So yeah, this is the this is a good purchase. I should definitely keep this. So yeah, move to the next one. And this I got, and I think every girl should have this if she have a short hairs, if she have a long hairs. I think it's not work on short hairs, but you can it's work on long hairs also. Because um, at the time we always look for something classy on our hairs and something comfortable. So these are the pens. I'll just show you how it's done. We can just make a chura with them. And I think it's look classy and you just show its voice. I think it's just okay something we just look super cool. So I just ordered it and I think I should definitely keep this. Move to the next purchase and it showed a super cool, Shira super cool and every girl which always looks like just a dreamy one and just like looking like a novel character or a comic character, you should definitely purchase this because it's always look amazing on one piece set. So basically it's a scarf, it's a hairband, something that we have a bandana like which is show you. Basically just I think you know what is this. It's like you just make some here. I will show you how it looks. Not now. Look, so this is the perfect TT color I have. And the second TT color which I have is this one. I think if you have a dress, if you want to go on beach or a girl date, you can wear this on. I think I just love this and I should definitely keep this one. The next purchase, it's a very useful product if you are like on little jawline and you are lazy, you don't want to work. Reading purchase is I think I show you how it actually works. It supports your jawline as you see in this video. It supports your jawline and if you use this on a regular basis, I think you should have a good shape, a good jawline on your face. It's a good alternative if you want a good shape and you don't want to work out. So yeah, you can definitely keep this one. I think I should all the things are from Savana. I just love brands because I'm new to this. I'm new to Savana. I never ordered from Savana, and this is my first purchases from Savana, and I'm super impressed. So moving to the next one, you're not ready for this, really, girls. If you are girls, we all want to look perfect. We all want to look amazing with our dresses, and it should always come when you feel comfortable, when you feel relaxing. I am talking about the shapewears. Yes, but they all are expensive. But how I can order a shapewear in reasonable price? So here, the Savannah is here for all the girls. Yes, I ordered the shapewear. Yes, I think under 500 and it's just amazing. It gives you a perfect shade and you don't need to worry about wearing undergarments. No, just wear this, put a dress on yourself, look fay. I think I just love this. I will definitely order with already colors also. I just show you, and it's for a girl who's like some naughty and like wanted to wear something like backless. So you can order this because it's a backless shapewear and it always it also gives you amazing support on your chest area, on your waist. It gives you amazing curves, your curves naturally looking cool, looking so sexy. And the most amazing part of this shapewear is fabric. It's so good. It's very comfortable. All the girls should have it. If you're not purchasing any of things, please purchase this because this is a purchase I want to say a girl to a girl. This is a talk. Please purchase this because I want every girl should have this. And most amazing part, it have a peak hole, so you're not worried about the most uncomfortable things. This is definitely I'll keep this one. Please buy it before it goes out of stock because it is a best alternative than expensive ones. Purchase this and will thanks me when you purchase this. Yeah, purchase this guys. My another useful purchase is like some on trip holder. I don't know pretty many cost, but I don't know. I saw this on most of the influencers' phone. It's like you stuck on your on bag and it's just hold on grip on glass. So I think this is good purchase. It's little expensive. Yeah, but yeah, I think I should use it better. So yeah, you can keep this one. You can purchase. So you definitely keep this one. And my last purchase from Savannah is just a outfit because I want to look how the outfit of Savannah looks like rather than purchasing different tops and different dresses. I would go first to the outfits in Savannah. I just love you. I don't know. Look, I just love it. Let me show you the outfit first. So this is the top of the outfit and it's just a perfect color. Perfect color. I think I just look at this and it had a padded support on the shoulder to look the shoulder most attractive. So it had pads on the shoulder to naturally look your shoulder more professional and more cool, more sexy. So yeah, this is the perfect color and I just love this because this material is so soft. It's like a baby stuff or a baby. I just love this. So yeah, you should definitely keep this if you want. And the most amazing part of this outfit is the bottom of it. So this is the bottom of the top. I think this is a perfect combination look. And most amazing part, the fabric of the bottom is like breathable, not too warm, not too cold. It's like breathable fabric when comfortable, a perfect grip, amazing look, and amazing print. I think I just love this outfit. Yeah, definitely keep this. So this is all the purchases I did on Savana, and I'm just amazed by the product, especially the shapewear and the outfit also. And girls, please, I shapewear, I request you because I want every girl should feel comfortable while wearing dresses, and you can give to your mothers on her birthdays, on her anniversaries, or without occasion, because your mother will definitely love this because they always feel uncomfortable when we are wearing bras and panties because they are not comfortable enough. But if you buy this shapewear, you will thank me later. If you love this video, please support me. If you love this video, please subscribe. Didn't subscribe me, yeah? So please subscribe. And next, and in the next video, I would love to show you my Mintra outfits also, Mintra purchases also. So support me, and if you want to ask some questions, if you want to have thoughts, uh, just ask me question on my comments. I always there for you. So yes, bye. Love you from my heart. All the girlies, all the peoples. I just love you. I don't know who you are, but I just love you because I think there's no one who's watching, and if you're watching this till now, I just love. I just thanks.